Join me as I take on the challenge of skin fasting for a week and see how it changes my skin. If you're anything like me, you've probably found yourself overwhelmed by the sheer amount of skincare products out there. From cleansers and toners to serums and moisturizers, it can be easy to get caught up in the cycle of constantly trying new things. But have you ever stopped to think about how your skin really feels? Are you tired of dealing with irritation, breakouts, and the constant need to keep up with the latest trends? Overusing skincare products can lead to a range of issues, from redness and irritation to clogged pores and acne. And let's be real, who hasn't been there at some point? We've all tried that one product that promised the world, only to end up causing more harm than good. And then there's the dependency factor. Think about it. How often do you find yourself reaching for that one product because you feel like you can't live without it? The truth is, our skin has its own natural balance, and sometimes we just need to step back and let it do its thing. That's where skin fasting comes in. Essentially, skin fasting involves taking a break from using any skincare products for a period of time, giving your skin a chance to reset and rebalance itself. It's not about completely neglecting your skin, but rather about giving it a break from the constant barrage of products. By fasting from skincare products, you can potentially improve your skin texture, reduce sensitivity, and even help your skin become less dependent on products. And who wouldn't want that? Of course, it's not for everyone, and it's essential to consider your individual skin type and needs before giving it a try. I've come across some pretty compelling stories from people who've tried skin fasting, and the results are truly transformative. One woman I read about had struggled with acne for years, but after taking a break from products, her skin completely cleared up. And it's not just anecdotal evidence, there are scientific studies that show the benefits of giving your skin a break. The idea is that by stripping back your routine, you're allowing your skin to find its own natural balance. And when you do start using products again, you'll be able to see what actually works and what doesn't. It's like a reset button for your skin. The transformative effects of skin fasting are undeniable. For one, a woman who had been struggling with dry, irritated skin for years decided to try skin fasting. She stopped using all her products and just used water to wash her face. And you know what? Her skin started to glow. Her skin looked healthier and more radiant than it had in years. In conclusion, skin fasting is definitely worth considering if you're struggling with skin issues. By giving your skin a break, you might be surprised at the positive changes that can happen. So, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried skin fasting, or is it something you're thinking of trying? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other skincare videos for more tips and tricks on how to get the best out of your skin.